Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to shut down the iPhone X after this. What's up guys, it's Mayank. Thank you for joining me today. On this channel I do a lot of detailed unboxings and helpful tutorials just like this one. If you're new here, consider subscribing by hitting that red button down below. To shut down your iPhone, it's pretty simple. You can't use the side button anymore. If you press and hold the side button, Siri gets activated. So what we need to do is we need to press the volume up button and the side button together. And after a couple of seconds, it's going to ask you to slide to power off, or you can cancel it and there's other options available. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, and leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about this tutorial. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.